Okay, I think my package is here. It is a little cable adapter thingamajig. There it is. Okay, well, let me explain real quick while I open this thing up. So about a month ago, I got my hard drive replaced in my iMac because it was slowly dying. It was like I would click on the, I would try to get on the internet, and the browser would pop up, and it would sit there and it would just spin and spin and spin for like 30 seconds, and I could type something in, and then I'd hit enter, and it would just spin and spin and spin, and I couldn't edit anything. It would take me forever to just move the timeline. So I got my hard drive replaced on the iMac. So this is the hard drive that came out of the computer. So what I'm going to do is, because I have some stuff on this hard drive I want to keep. For some reason, the backup I was using, I use this service called Backblaze. It's $5 a month. It does great. It backs up all my external hard drives. I have like 5 external hard drives that are hooked to the computer all the time. It backs all those up. But for some reason, there were some files on the internal disk that didn't get backed up. For example, I have some Logic Pro X project files that what it does on those Logic Pro X files, it everything that's recorded on a particular project, it's inside the Logic Pro X file folder, bundle, whatever you want to call it. Now, when I downloaded the backups to those, the projects were there, but when I opened up the projects, what I had recorded, the music, was not there. So when I would try to open it up, it would try to open it up as a brand new file. That's why I ordered this. Now this is, hopefully it's going to work. This is the test. This is what we're going to do. Test this thing out today. So it's a cable that it's USB 3, and it hooks into the external hard drive, or the internal hard drive, which turns it into an external hard drive. So that's going to be the test. That's what we're going to try to do today. So let's see if this thing works. By the way, this was only $8.99 on Amazon. So I'll put a link to this below. If it works, I mean, if it doesn't work, I'm not going to put a link down. But if it does, then I'll put a link down there, and you can buy it if you have the same problem. Now, this hard drive is it's a 2.5, whatever that means. I don't know what that means. I guess 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches. I don't even know what that means. Anyway, so let's try this and see if it works. First thing I need to do is plug this into the back of the computer. All the cables I got. Plug that in there. So here is the hard drive that came out of the computer. Okay, so it did work. It did pop up on the screen, but I am scared to open it up. Let's see what happens when I do. There's stuff here. There's users. Troy Shaw. Ah, there's my stuff. There's my stuff. Music. Logic. Come on, pop up, baby. Pop up. There you go. All right, now this is what I'm looking for. For example, if I right click on this and show package contents, it should show me the media, audio files. Ah, look at that. It's all there. It worked. Oh my God, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. So anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take just the files I need from this hard drive and drag them and replace the ones that I downloaded from my backup, and I'm good to go. So this is how you do it. Oh my God, it's a miracle. It worked. It worked. I'm so happy. So anyway, so if you have this problem, I'll put a link to this cable below. It was $8.99. Also, if you have different hard drives, like a hard drive for a desktop, they make cables for those too. Everything is still there, so I can just keep this in the box, keep it in my drawer, and anytime I need a file that I had in the past, I can go back and find it. So anyway, I hope this video helps. Am I looking at the right place? I should be looking over here. Hope this video helps. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.